Hey everyone! In this video, we'll quickly show you how to turn your Notion docs into structured boards using MockFlow IdeaBoard connectors, and it takes less than 2 minutes. So first, what are connectors in MockFlow IdeaBoard? They basically let us pull content from tools we already use, like Notion, straight into the IdeaBoard and work with it there.
To get started, go inside the IdeaBoard editor, click on Ask Meta, and then open Connectors. You'll see a list, just pick Notion and hit Connect. Next, we select the pages we want from our Notion account and click Allow Access. Then, click on Apply. Here's the Notion page we're going to use. Notion is now connected and will appear directly inside Meta. Now, we just type a simple prompt like, convert our Notion website kickoff page into a structured board, and click Generate. We'll then get a few options to choose what we want included in the board, pick what we need and click Generate Board. And that's it, within a few seconds, our structured board is ready. Everything is neatly organized into components, fully editable, customizable, and we can export it anytime. Try it out with your own Notion pages and see how quickly you can go from content to something more visual and actionable. See you in the next video.